Take out your orange math skills packet. Today, we're going to complete the last pages in that packet. There's 2 pieces of paper, but it's 4 pages total. This is your test for subtraction. Because this is a test, I'm not going to be giving you the answers today. Instead, I want to see how much you learned about subtraction in this chapter. Remember, on a test, it's just important that you try your very best, and that is success. I just want to see what you have learned. So do your best, and I believe in you. Let's get started. For each page, I'm going to give you the instructions for the entire page. Then I'm going to ask you to pause the video, solve all the problems, and then unpause and turn your page. Then I will give you the new directions for the next page. So we'll be pausing the video about 4 times, doing the work, unpausing, and then hearing the instructions again. Are you ready? Let's begin on the first page. You should see this page here with all the dolphins on it. This page is going to test your understanding of subtracting 1. What I'd like you to do for numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 is complete the subtraction sentence. Trace over the minus sign and the equal sign, cross off 1 dolphin, and write how many are left over. Do that for 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then unpause the video so you can hear instructions for the next page. Pause now and solve. You should have completed this page. If you haven't yet, pause the video. I'm going to give you instructions for the next page. Please turn your page and flip your packet. We're going to continue some subtraction sentences. On this page, there is a picture that has already seen some subtraction take place. For example, number 1 is the subtraction sentence 7 take away 3 equals 4. There were 7 picnic baskets, and then 3 were taken away, which left 4 left over without X's on it. For numbers 2 and 3, you're going to write the subtraction sentence to match the picture. To do that, first start by counting how many there are in all, including the ones with X's. Then, count how many were taken away that have X's on it. That goes on the second line. Then, count to see how many are left over. That goes on the last line. You're going to do this for numbers 2 and 3. Pause the video and then unpause to hear instructions for the next page. Pause and solve now. You should have completed this page now. If you haven't, please pause the video and solve the work. Then unpause so you can hear us continue on. If you finish solving, let's flip your packet. That should put you on this page here with the open workspace. For this page, you're going to solve numbers 1 and 2 by yourself. You get to come up with any subtraction sentence that you'd like. Whatever you decide, I need to see a picture to show how many there were in the group. Then some need to be crossed off, and then you need to write how many are left. Your numbers should match the picture you draw. Please complete number 1 and 2, writing any subtraction sentence you'd like. Then, unpause the video so we can complete the last page. Pause now and write your own subtraction sentences. You should have completed this page by yourself. Let's work on the last page now together. If for some reason you didn't finish this page yet, please pause the video, finish, and then continue with me. Let's turn your page and flip your packet. That should put you at the very last page in this whole math packet. You should see a row of 10 counting bears. For this page, you're going to solve for 1, 2, 3, and 4 different ways to take away from the number 10. Whatever you decide to do, each problem needs to be different. For example, if I choose for my first one to do 10 take away 6 equals 4, I shouldn't do take away 6 on any other problem. Make sure that you remember to cross off how many are being taken away from the row of counting bears above. The only rule is that everyone needs to be different, and you can't take away more than 10 because you can't take more than you have. Solve this page and then you're all done with your math for today. Great work.